Hey everybody, welcome back to LMB Outdoors. So today we're working on this seed planter, and as you can see it's pretty banged up, so we're just going to be working on it. So I'll catch you back when the video starts.
Alright, well here we go. We're going to be using this here in the next few videos, so we wanted y'all to come along with us. Right now our hopper is busted, as you can tell, so we're going to take it off and we're going to go ahead and try to fix it and try to make it usable so we can throw some seed in it and plant. So first thing you do is got to take this disc off. Well, this disc is in here and it's wedged in, so you have to hold this and turn this. We're going to be changing this disc out for a more coarse disc for the bigger seeds that we're going to be using. And then on this side, we got 2 bolts. We're going to take these 2 bolts out, and then this whole hopper will come off of here where we can try to...
Hopper. That's the hopper.
Hopper. Where the seeds go.
Yep.
Seeds go here. Hopper. Alright. So here we go.
If you look at it from here, that kind of looks like an Angry Bird face, not gonna lie.
Angry Bird face?
Yeah. Oh my god. Where's the screw taken out?
Right here.
There it is in the sand.
One come out, and then there's one more.
So little guy, like that Bond guy off of Angry Birds.
There went the nut. I have to show you. We have a belt on here.
Right there, guys. That's the belt right there.
So we're going to lift this hopper up. We're going to get this belt loose before we can fish this belt off. That's how you take the hopper off.
So...
Alright, well this is our cheap and quick fix. So we've got us a hopper now that we can put seed in.
Duct tape.
Duct tape, baby. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to put this back on. Then we've got to figure out which size of these discs that we're going to use for this type of seed that we're going to use.
There's different sizes?
There's different sizes for different types of seeds.
How is the seeds not gonna get stuck on the wall?
They're not going to get stuck on the wall because we even duct taped it in here, so that's just slick. Slick.
Pretty good.
Alright, so we're going to put this back on. We have to loop this through here. Put this belt back on. Ease it back around to position. Just like that. We're going to find this bolt.
I hate that squeaky sound.
Bolts rubber.
Nope. Especially when like a metal fork or a metal spoon hits my teeth, I just get covered in chill bumps.
Oh yeah?
It just feels so weird in my teeth, like I cannot stand it. Even just thinking about metal touching my teeth just makes me have chill bumps.
Well, it's still squeaking a little.
Ah.
I don't know what tightens up.
What size wrench is that, Dad?
That is a 7/16.
Pretty good size. Fits a lot of bolts. got that inside, man.
Alright, so we threw some seed in here, as you can see. Those are sunflower seeds. We're going to plant some sunflowers for the missus. So, we put the sweet corn disc on because it's a pretty big kernel. So as you're going, see how it's dropping out?
Dropping out on us to a tailgate.
So as we flip this stand up and start walking through the flesh proud dirt, this will cut through the dirt, this will pick up a seed and drop it in every increment or so, every few inches, and that way it'll be planted. This will cover it and this chain will cover it, and we're going to walk and we're going to do some planting here in a little while.
But first we're gonna have to mow and plow and do all that.